But Misaka Master Caleb Owaha, ono anaye sports committee chairman, ono Owaha from Monday, ebe pimane athletics, other sporting disciplines, football. Ya can't nina boom at the baby and general session this year competition.
Oh, I think so. This year is better than last year, and as you know, say in football, any athletics, no, in Pimpin, and people do it with their hearts, and yes, we are bound to have some challenges, but so far we will say once Yachumi Aye Bibiama Bibia I ended successfully in the Becca say it's been good.
When we say next year, Baba, so what are you expecting next year? Do you think say improvement our this year
Next year there will be massive improvement. I think that this year no share your preparation asentem. Yeah, and a lot of things like behind. But next year there I think that things will be in shape and we will start the preparation early so that we be successful.
When we say Bano Jumedi, we say challenges, Also, you being a chairman of the sports committee, challenges, maybe anything.
Oh, challenges, you can say you can't, but most of it all, financial challenges, yeah. Because over here, at a point in time, night ball no cry yenya balls because the ball was from a school no so near man kuya man kakra no ya action the ball then so I think going forward now we would have to get some sponsorship to come and take care of some of these things for us.
All right, finally, on Sunday now be catch a month with you on command radio and if I been able to do say and also schools are buying and some men I'll catch on.
Anyway, me jina position at the Okuma FM and Okuma TV ase. Any jumedi won waswa ma be di wa at least ma ye nkwala no so hu say some born homodin there are people out there be promote you to go far. Again, there are some individuals being so like one Mr. Derek on also by donations to support your games here, teachers and community at large. The kind of support baby to come and support us in officiating any idea. I think we are very much grateful to them.
All right, NTN say Edunsono Master Caleb ono anaye chairman Edemada Sports Committee awo eye ekropona wo tene master yana wa se nwure.
Oh, yes yeah damas.
The master so wie bibia wa chire ntie wi na ene master nso no atumi adi nkomo ewa he ya ntino ano so ano no ante ha ani de besi okoma 97.1 yakwei mamenda obibia onyabre etie ye no and so as in teach you and so any better way or see get way more na say anwumre matches no so otofa better ya na say niama akonkan eriama sanso na Bell Eyes or say me Philippa weekend oya party oya ye bibia oye na obeche ensuo obeche drinks mano enye Bell product ni bi say Bell Aqua Bell Ice drinks no your Bell Cola, Samsona Bell Squeeze Orange, Bell Cocktail, Nina be our Empenny no so more Bell Ice Lemon, Bell Ice Pineapple, Samsona yawo a vodka mix no, and I think so a Bell Whiskey Cola, Omunina Aboye, Ama it me the live commentary, and then Fitaropa, a bit new way it me at the bar. Bell Ice, or say me Philippa, Loma Vista IPS, and then it's Sukwame Kamfo, Ediama Acorano, every junior high, no course senior high, and one Loma Vista. IPS. Your man for your about senior high school courses now. General arts, general science, business, home economics, vocational and technical courses and also our Loma Vista IPS. Boremo, our man police station and Chaope, and Loma Vista IPS and so no our now on etumi edi enkomo Loma Vista ɔse educate challenge and inspire ɔmadarma ene yɛde live commentary by team no nyina ɛna se enko emfama mo headed by general manager Yera Kweku Boatin Sansona Gideon Mentam na say Gideon into yes Gideon into afin Nana Kofi Okwari Ajman Nana Kwame Perry the finest DJ Zigibi John Mark the boy Sansona DJ Donzi K Brown Kofi Coach Moboy the writer commentator Meno Kase Etemu our Cross Sports Stadium ono sono eto commentary no bi edi afriwo afin Shark Miaminia Shark eboy amere commentary no enso etime ba na odam ya Bella Harriet munyina moboy etiefo amonya bre etie yen ofie yami hia mo so ambo pie mu ewa ha ebe support jomedie no nyame enka mo ho midin ere Kelvin Amponsa Eddie yami bo a afise ne ebehia